Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this magic look in DTI. So this DTI outfit is serving full witchy, slay, mystical, magical, and totally VIP free. So whether you're going a dark enchantress or cottagecore sorceress, this look is pure spellbinding energy. Now let me show you how you can recreate this look. So for the makeup, you can just choose the one that you prefer. And then the hair, I'm using this long wavy hair and color it black. And as for the skin tone, I'm using this green color. You can also use my hex code if you want to. And then for the witch dress, first I'm going to use these code items, this dress here, and color it all black. Then I'm going to combine it with this currency item, but I'm only going to use the skirt, and here change the color into this patterns in here. And I'm also going to use a necklace from the code item, this one, and color it all black. Now to complete the look, you can just follow the next steps. So first you can just go to the women's sections in here and put on this set, all of it, the shoulder puff in here, and you can use the same patterns like the lace on the skirt and also the top. The first color is black and the rest of the color use the patterns. And now for the skirt, first color the patterns and the rest of it just use black. And then for the shoe, I'm going to just wear on these heels without the ribbon. And I'm going to put on the gloves. This one, change the color to black, and of course remove the fur. And now you can just put on the accessory. Here I'm going to grab this apple and change the color into red. And next, of course, I'm going to put on the witch hat. So since I don't have the witch hat on VIP or currency items, so I'm going to just use this sun hat and color it all black and adjust the position. I'm going to lower it like this and then adjust the rotate. And I'm going to put on this flower crown and change all the color into black. Then if you want to, you can also adjust the position of the flower crown. Like this. And here I'm going to grab on this necklace and again change the color into all black. And just like that, you are done. So this is the final look for the witch. To summon this look and slay the DTI runway like a glam goddess of the arcane. Like if you love a witchy moment, subscribe and click on the thanks for more fantasy feeds. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!